Hi, this is Neena Benjamin from Strata Motors, and as we prepare for the Motor Fest, which has been organized in Gurgaon, in Worldmark, on 30th of March, here I have two beauties in front of you, the woman in red and her Gulabo. She is my mentor, and I am immensely full of humility and pride to introduce her, Latika Narang.
Thank you.
An avid motor car enthusiast, a rally winner, a head honcho in corporate, a loving wife, and the most passionate mother of four, to her daughters, to her pets. I have to say that, otherwise she will cut my head.
We'll bring them.
So she's going to be there with her car, and but I want to let Latika talk about her journey as to how jab we met, how did we meet, how did this happen?
Well, I always wanted a Willys Jeep. And at a friend Adil's son's wedding, Dr. Hussain was there, and I asked him, I said, where's my Willys Jeep? And he said, I don't have that, but I have something else. And he showed me her photo. It was love at first sight.
Wow.
I said, this is mine already. And that was it. And, well, a few months later, Gulabo came home, and it's been amazing. She is amazing. And there's something about her, whenever we drive her, children stop on the road and want to come forward. Men, of course, she's a man magnet, but she's also a chick magnet. So I find when I'm with her, the joy that I get in seeing people suddenly so happy, it's amazing. I don't know if it's the red color or it's just her entire persona, whatever it is, she works. And she's going to be there on the 30th at the Motor Fest. And yes, please come and meet her.
So Latika will be there with her car. Not only that, she's also going to be heading the panel discussions. We have a women panel speaking about motor cars, and you will be surprised to see the number of women and the great work they're doing in this space. And she's also be going to walk the ramp.
Of course. Why not? Yeah.
So be there. We all are excited. But before we part, Latika, I just quickly wanted to ask you your journey. You are also a rally winner. Can you just talk to our audience and tell them how did that happen? How did you go from being a mother to a head honcho to a rally driver, and not only a driver, a winner actually?
So my journey with the car started because my daughter studied in Mayo College in Ajmer. And I found, booking tickets, etc., very cumbersome. So I just started driving, to Chandigarh, driving to Ajmer. And before I knew it, I was driving everywhere. And Deepak loves driving too. So, my husband. So we would constantly have this thing about who's going to drive. But usually because he's always on the phone because of office, I won a lot more. I mean, just to give you an example, my last car would have done 2 lakhs.
Wow.
And what is interesting to note is my dogs travel everywhere with me. So they've done about 2 lakh kilometers too. And it just started with them. And then the rallies happened, and Vijay Parmar made it really easy for women participants and to participate. And not only that, those rallies were amazing. Raid the Himalaya was one of the best experiences ever. And it just one thing led to the other. And before we knew it, Rinchin and I were participating and in a women's rally.
And winning.
And that was one of the craziest rallies that I've ever been to, because we went through this terrain that was completely broken, with the roads kind of going like that. But we won, and that was amazing. And it just, made things sweeter. But the fun is not, I will say this, the fun is not in the winning. The fun is in the journey. I have learned so much from the rallies. And one of the things I'd like to share,
Sure,
if we have time,
is
absolutely, that, every evening when people would come together after the rally had finished, people wouldn't discuss who won. It wouldn't be who came first. It was all about, yaar, terko pata hai, mera na puncture ho gaya. Yaar, mera na shisha toot gaya. And it was all about things that had the mishaps in life, in their day. And I realized that that's really the way to look at life. Mishaps keep happening. But what the heck?
Yeah.
Just next day, you're ready again for the run.
Wow.
So that's one of the biggest learnings I've had from my rallies, and I love them.
Wow. So Vijay Parmar, please get the Himalayan rally back.
Back.
There's a huge recall. People miss it. And
Yeah.
And I think it's the attitude
Yeah.
of learning which brings the altitude of winners.
It's just amazing. It's just amazing.
Absolutely. And
Yeah,
Latika is a winner in every sphere that I have known and everyone has known her. And it is for this kind of a community we are doing the Motorfest to bring the love of cars back and get North India all stirred up. So we are looking forward. Me and Latika signing off.
See you there.
Bye bye.
Bye.